you ever wondered how Coca-Cola is made? Today we're inside this massive facility to see the process from these empty bottles all the way to the finished product.
Welcome to the Coca-Cola bottling plant. It takes an incredible amount of coordination to move the product from here to your local store.
Right here we have the sugar feed line. The first step is adding the precisely measured sugar into the system before it moves on to blending.
This is the sugar storage tank, capable of holding thousands of tons of the industrial-grade sugar required for production. Welcome to the sugar storage area. This massive tank holds the key ingredient, with tons of sugar being constantly delivered through this chute. The process starts with meticulous filtration. These amber crystals are rigorously sorted by vibrating meshes. These massive tanks hold the liquid carbon dioxide, kept under high pressure until needed in the bottling process.
Right now, we're seeing the secret syrup, the core of every Coca-Cola, being carefully poured into this massive mixing vat. This is where the magic happens. The secret syrup base is carefully poured into the mixing vats before bottling.
Once the valve is open, the syrup flows rapidly. The computerized control panel ensures the exact volume is reached.
As you can see, the mixer is rapidly combining the ingredients until it reaches that perfect, uniform, dark brown color.
The process begins with the precise infusion of the secret amber concentrate directly into the stainless steel mixing tanks. This is where the magic happens. Inside this blending machine, the concentrated syrup is carefully mixed before bottling.
The concentrated syrup undergoes strict quality control, ensuring the perfect viscosity before it moves on to the mixing stage. This is the syrup transfer line, where the concentrate is precisely monitored before blending.
This is where the magic happens. The syrup is flash heated to 100 degrees and then immediately cooled.
Maintaining the precise pressure in these massive carbonation tanks is crucial for the final taste. Here, pressurized carbon dioxide is infused directly into the syrup base, creating the signature fizz. Once the syrup is complete, it's combined with carbonated water. But before bottling, every batch undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. These towering stainless steel tanks hold the finished beverage, ensuring quality before the bottling process begins.
At the flow inspection stage, we monitor the rapid movement of the carbonated beverage, ensuring perfect consistency before it reaches the bottling line.
The first step is the bottle conveyor system. Look at the speed these classic glass bottles are traveling at before they are cleaned and filled. It all starts here. These preforms are rapidly moving towards the heating unit, the first major step in creating the iconic Coca-Cola bottle.
The preforms enter this massive heating tunnel, glowing intensely as they reach the perfect temperature for molding.
As you can see, the bottles are thoroughly scrubbed and rinsed with high-pressure water to ensure maximum cleanliness before they move on to the filling stage. Next up is the bottle orientation phase. This incredible machine. Here we see the bottle elevator.
The first step is the sterilization and transport of the glass bottles along this innovative Here at the sterilization station, high-pressure air jets blast the bottles with sterile air to eliminate any contaminants before filling.
Once the bottles are sterilized, they enter this chamber to be filled with the iconic Coca-Cola syrup and carbonated water.
At the level control station, every bottle is scanned.
And here we have the capping machine. It secures the iconic red lids onto the front. As you can see, the bottles move incredibly fast. That's where the stabilization belt comes in, ensuring perfect alignment. Right here is where the iconic red labels are born. Look at the speed and precision of this massive printing press.
The label printing process is incredibly precise, with massive rolls moving at high speed before being applied to the bottles further down the line.
The labeling process is meticulously monitored. Workers inspect samples by hand.
The sealing station uses a precise dot of hot glue to secure the iconic label. Here at the QC station, high-speed cameras scan every label. If one is misaligned, the robotic arm immediately removes it from the line.
Quality control is crucial. Our team meticulously inspects the labeling to guarantee that every Coca-Cola bottle looks as
This is the defect scan station. As the bottles rush past the sensors, the efficiency here is incredible. The automated grouping system can handle thousands of bottles per minute. Right here we have the shrink film applicator. This machine wraps the six-packs in a tight layer of clear plastic, keeping them secure for transport.
This is the heat shrink tunnel. High-intensity heat forces the plastic to conform perfectly to the bottles at an incredible speed. Here you can see the robotic arm precisely gripping the shrink-wrapped packs before moving them to the palletizer entry.
Once stacked, the pallets move to the wrapper. This machine secures the Coca-Cola in a durable stretch film, ready for distribution.
The final step before shipping is the barcode tagging. This automated process ensures efficiency and accuracy.
The final step This is where the magic happens before it hits the shelves. The forklifts move with incredible precision, loading the finished pallets directly onto the trucks.
From this vantage point, you can see the sheer scale of the operation. Hundreds of trucks arrive daily.
Thanks for watching our behind-the-scenes look at the Coca-Cola factory. Make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.